We are back, boys. It has been a while. I know I ain't posted in forever, but honestly, I think it was for the better. As you can see, we did a little bit to the bike. I went out of my way to upgrade my camera. I got something better, so I feel like that'll draw people in. But besides that, I've really just been working on my mental. Stuff that we should all do every now and then. It's just me. Excuse me. It's just me out here. I'm solo, per usual. I think from now on, I think I'm just gonna make like 8-minute videos, 8 to 10 minutes maybe at that. I feel like that's a better way to draw an audience in to like someone that's relatively unknown, whereas trying to post a 20-minute video and get somebody to dedicate time out of their day to, you know, come watch me. So I feel like the shorter videos will do me better for now. But as I start to get into things, have write outs with people, do other things, videos may get longer here and there, but that's pretty much the progress and the update from here on out. Gonna be riding my usual area. Shoot, really just gonna be chilling. I really want to see what the I'm on the Hero 10 Black right now. I really want to see how it's going to act in these shady areas and lighted areas. I really just want to. This is gonna be like a rough draft to see what I like, video preferences, stuff of the sort. And hell, I don't see no reason not to jump right back into it. What the world? I was like, what the shit? All these tree limbs is driving me crazy. Oh shit, wrong way.